This is how to create a March Madness reading schedule. To begin with, open the Gospel Library app and click on the Home button. Then click on the Custom Plan and you're going to start a new plan. Select Content and you're going to go to the Scriptures and select the Book of Mormon. Then you're going to set a schedule to daily read from the Book of Mormon starting on March 1st. Woot woot! You're going to end it on March 31st. And after you pick that, go ahead and click on the next button. You can add a reminder to go off every day at whatever time you'd like. Once you've set that, go ahead then and save it. And then you're going to go back. And now you're on the home screen, select the Book of Mormon, and you can see each day exactly how many chapters you need to read to stay on task to finish it by the end of the month. When you come back out to the home screen, you'll be able to see what % of the Book of Mormon you've read. Good luck!